Do you know that the procrastination is the biggest problem in your weight loss journey? Friends, I remember that when I started my weight losing journey, I was really good at my gym, I was really good at my workouts, but I was not getting the result which I really wanted in my life. It's been more than a 15 years since I have been doing my workout, but I have never go into the depth to gain the knowledge about the subject, although it was my interest. At times I thought that maybe tomorrow will do. At times I thought that maybe the dietitian is going to help me out. But the thing is this, that in age 36, right now I'm 36-year-old person, and now once I have taken the key and once I have taken the whole concept of dieting and nutrition in my hand, then only I am able to help myself rather than other people's in terms to gain the benefits of health from diet and workouts. Otherwise I used to do the procrastination that tomorrow I will read any book. There, yes, I know this book is important, but how to adapt this thing? I don't think so. The books will work. But the thing is this, that everything works, but you need to build yourself from brick by brick. And today I will tell you about that how you can kill your procrastination if you're looking forward to lose your weight. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to reduce their stubborn fat. I help them to achieve their dream personality and I provide them the tools so that they can build their unknowing, extraordinary lifestyle. Friends, this fitness subject, whenever we heard about it, whenever we listen about the fitness subject, many of the people want to fit, but they do not take it seriously. Imagine for a moment that once you are seeing a doctor and doctor gives you some pills and tells to you now that you must start some workout in your life. Many of the time I have seen many of the young people, they like to spend their nights as a night out, but they don't want to spend their even half an hour in their gym. I also used to be the like that person, but I really want to. My situation was quite different because my atmosphere was different, and I do not have any of the knowledge about it. On that time, the YouTube and other sources was not that much popular, so that I can watch a video, I can go and join an online coaching. On my time, it was not possible. But now that in this digital world, everything is possible. In this COVID situation, many of the coaches has come on online, and right now they are giving the best knowledge among the world so that people can achieve their health. Friends, as I was talking about the procrastination is the biggest killer of the success, and it is the biggest killer of the weight loss journey also. Tomorrow we will do. When someone will say to me that this sari is not looking good on me, only on that time we think about our fitness. But friends, believe me, once we reach the age of 45 or 40s, on that time we come to know about that what we have lost in our younger age. If we would be keeping our fitness in a momentum, then our 40s, 45 would also be amazing like our 30s and 20s. That's why friends, if you are listening this video, then it is the right time for you to start your fitness journey. Whether you are obese, whether you are overweight, or whether you are not doing any fitness activity in your life, but you need to start doing. And the number one thing which you will make you to start doing is to get the knowledge about the subject. Once you have the knowledge, your interest will be built automatically. For example, now you know that you don't need to run on a cardio machine on a treadmill for half an hour. You just need to do 15 minutes of workouts of HIIT and it will be the more impactful than the cardio. And you're going to change your workouts again after a month. Then it will be sound interesting to you, because every time whenever I see the people, they just do barbell curl, they just do other workouts, but it is not the way of doing, because every month our exercise need to be changed. And for that purpose, a person must have the knowledge about the subject, that how to change the workout. If you don't have the knowledge, then spend some value, spend some money on the good coaches. But again, on good coaches, because in the gym, in the tier 2 cities, in the tier 1 city, but not in the metro city, still there are so many coaches which do not have any knowledge, and those who have the knowledge, they charge more. So if you can see some of the digital coach, then it will be really fine, and you can choose me also. The second thing which I want to say to you, that which you need to adapt, that you need to focus on your food. Friends, food is the foundation. It's a say that what kind of a food you eat, it gives you that kind of a thought. And the thought makes your habit, and your habit makes your action, and your action make your life. That's why food is the foundation of your mindset. Food is the foundation of your health. If you really want to start something, then start with your food. Try to consume 5 times food. Try to consume a calorie deficit or as per your calorie food. Try to consume more protein, especially the lean protein sources. Try to consume a good breakfast and a light dinner. Then definitely it will help you out for you. But the first of all thing which you need to start, that avoid the sugar and avoid the junk food in your life, because junk food, sugar, cigarette, drugs, alcohol, they all are the same. Most of the marketing companies are playing with your mind, with the pleasant part of your mind, which gives you the pleasure. The druggist gets the pleasure after consuming drug. The cigarette smoker gets the pleasure once he smokes the cigarette. The alcoholic feels the pleasure once he consumes the alcohol. And in the same way, if you consume the junk food or any of the delicious food and you say, wow, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure where market plays with you. Many of the big corporates plays with your mind. That's why your mind not going to support to you for the first time for the good food. But you need to use your willpower, you need to use your knowledge, because once you consume the good food now, definitely on that time you don't know, right now maybe for the first or second time you're not going to like the taste of the food, but after consuming you're going to feel the real energy. You're not feeling lazy, you're not feeling lethargic, you're not feeling hungry, and you feel full. This is the power of good food. The third point which you need to start is take your fitness level very slow. Many of the time I have seen that many of the people, they just start with the cardio, treadmills, they will do just everything, they will put every effort, they will become the Milkha Singh on very first day. But it is not the way of starting. Exercise is just a sharpener which sharp your body, but it does not build. The building and the foundation of your body is your diet, and exercise just sharp it only. So that's why what kind of lifestyle you are carrying. If you are not doing any workouts, but if your lifestyle is active, you go for a walk after lunch, once you complete your office, whether you are a housewife, you are doing your walking morning and evening both the times, it is important. What kind of a thoughts you have, it is important. Are you able to give your time on a kitchen? It is important. If you want to see the people who are overweight, then see their skills in the kitchen and in their workouts. And in both the skills, they need to learn so much. I was also be something like that. Friends, that's why take your fitness seriously. Maybe my words could be harsh, but I'm telling and I'm speaking just for benefit of you. Friends, now you want to start your health journey and you are looking forward to lose your weight up to 10 kg. Then usually I help clients to build their extraordinary lifestyle. I'm giving you my number. If you resonate with any of this, and if you want to start your health journey, if you want to make your lifestyle an extraordinary lifestyle, then feel free to call me or message me. This is Bhupendra signing out for now, and I know that you all can do it. You all just need to know your fitness.